Hey, that's my car. Hey, that's my house. Hey, that's my life. Do you ever feel like that could be you? You work hard, put in the effort, and do everything right, yet somehow you're still not getting what you truly want. Why? Because there are mistakes holding you back from reaching the next level of income. Today, I'm going to share the 5 most common mistakes that stop people from achieving their financial goals. Mistakes that keep people stuck in the same place for years, working endlessly without any progress. Hey friends, I'm Nathan, a professional trader. 9 years ago, I was just like you, working a regular job, dealing with a boss, dreaming of a day. I stopped living paycheck to paycheck and sail around the world on a yacht. And just last year, everything changed. I made my dream a reality. How did I do it? Watch closely. In this video, I'll break down the step-by-step process that helped me reach a new level in life. Or better yet, click the link in the description and join my trading club so you don't lose me in the vast space of the internet. In my club, I share exclusive insights that I can't discuss on YouTube. Let's be clear from the start. If you think everything came naturally to me or that I just got lucky, you're mistaken. What you see now is just the tip of the iceberg, the result of 8 years of hard work, challenges and mistakes. If only you knew what I've been through. So, you're tired of losing savings, energy and nerves, and you're done searching for new strategies that don't really work. I want to tell you this, I made a lot of mistakes before I became a professional and turned trading into my main source of income. But now, I have a clear, proven system. I share it with you on my Telegram channel. Straight to the point, just real tools. How technical analysis works, how to find entry points, how to avoid mistakes that many people make out of not knowing what to do. But if you don't want to become a full-time trader, but yet you want to have some more to live on, you can trade alongside me in real time under my guidance. Yes, you heard that right. I trade live, you see my trades and you simply copy them. And the greatest part is that you don't have to pay for this. I trade for myself, not you. I just do it online and you can follow along and use it for yourself. I lose nothing. Where else can you find an opportunity like this? If you're interested, click the link in the description under this video. Switching to the most important part of the video, I'm moving to trading. The platform is open and the amount I'm starting with is set. Now, let's select the currency pairs I'll be working with. This one and this one. Perfect. Now let's configure an important indicator. Today I'll be using MACD. This indicator shows the difference between two moving averages of price on the chart. The MACD is based on trend analysis and helps traders determine where to open or close trades. Let's set up the indicator. Adjust the line brightness and size. All settings are done, now we can start. Looking at the chart. Let's stop at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. I see that the price was in the downtrend and then reversed. This is the first approach to a resistance level after the trend shift. Usually, when the price fails to break resistance, it pulls back downward, often leading to consolidation, where the price moves sideways near a level without a clear direction. In this situation, I'm going for a sell, expecting the price to bounce off the resistance and continues downward. Great start everyone, let's keep going. Checking the next setup. I see a rejection from a strong resistance level. This level has repeatedly stopped the price before, and during previous rejections the indicator signaled a reversal. So I'm entering a sell trade, expecting the price to fail at this level again and move down. Awesome, we've secured a solid 20. Let's continue. Moving to the next pair, setting 20. Looking at the chart. Alright, we're going up. I've spotted an impulse candle that broke the level and closed above it. The indicator is pointing up, confirming a potential trend continuation. I expect the price to keep rising. Let's watch how it plays out. Perfect, my technical analysis was spot on. Let's move forward. Checking the chart. Let's stop here. Everything is clear, no hesitation. I'm entering a sale trade. The price was moving downward, then consolidated briefly before breaking lower. During this consolidation, local levels formed. When I saw a bearish engulfing candle, I decided to enter a trade, expecting the breakout of this local level and further downward movement. The indicator also confirms a bearish continuation, so this trade should go well. Excellent, no doubts here. This is my proven strategy and I trust it completely. Let's keep going. Trading is like an orchestra where every instrument plays in perfect harmony. I created a strategy that eliminates chaos and my subscribers follow me like musicians following a conductor. We move in sync, trade with a proven system and get results. Just yesterday we made 494,000 together. That's over 700 per person. How about that? And what if I told you that this was just one of 3 trading sessions in a single day? Wanna join this well-tuned system where everything is already set up to bring you results? Then click the link in the description under this video and claim your spot in Trading Orchestra. I see a consolidation near the level on this pair. The price is gradually pressing against the level, which increases the likelihood of a breakout to the upside. In this situation, I'm buying, expecting the price to break the level and continue moving forward. Good, let's keep up the pace. Let's see what we have here. The price returned to a broken level for a retest. Once a level is broken, it turns into support. Now, after the retest, the price is starting to rise again. This is a great setup for an upward movement, so I expect the uptrend to continue. This is my kind of trade. Let's go further. Here, we're gaining altitude again. A local level was previously broken downward and the price returned for a retest. However, instead of bouncing lower, the price started to press against the level and closed above it. This signals that the market is preparing for further upward movement in a more global level. The price has successfully retested and started to rise, confirming my decision to enter a buy trade. Fantastic! We've already reached 501 and now we're moving into bigger numbers. I like this. Stopping at this pair. Everything is clear. Selling, because the price has reached a strong level around 0.63 and bounced off it. This confirms that the level is acting as a resistance and there is a high probability that the price will continue downward from this point. Let's see how it plays out. Great! Now this is kind of results I like. Moving forward. What do we have here? Earlier there was a false breakout downward, which often leads to a reversal and movement in the opposite direction. This pattern signals a high probability of the uptrend continuing. Taking actions now. Alright, everyone, it's time for the final trade. And as always, I'll set the maximum value to achieve the result I want. So, what do we see? There is a strong level around 96,500 that the price has tested multiple times but failed to break. Additionally, there is a trend line that the price has repeatedly tested. The indicator suggests that downward momentum is still weakening. The histogram bars are getting smaller and then they reversed. The MACD lines are also pointing downward, confirming signs of a reversal. Everything signals an upward movement, so I'm entering a buy trade to ride the trend. Excellent! Look at the results we've achieved. My strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. If you want to trade like a real pro, you need to level up your knowledge. That's why in my exclusive trading club, I break down indicators, trading techniques, and the mistakes that drain your account. And it's completely free. Every day, I share my trading decisions with 21,000 members, and together we make over 700,000 per session. Want to be part of this team and start copying my trades? Then click the first link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment and join us right now.